What's up, YouTube? Hope you guys enjoyed that new intro I just made. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, helps us grow. But now going on to the video, I am doing a beard transformation on my boy Dre. His beard, as you guys can tell when he first came in, was very tight and curled up because he does wear a mask at work. So right now we're just using a beard straightener, just get it all straightened out into its full length. Now as you can tell, the beard is completely straightened out, so this is a great way to start off a beard trim service. After that, we're going to go ahead and take our 3 guard and we're going to go with the grain, just going off of his face, not pushing in, and we're just getting those extra hairs that are hanging off. After that, we're going to set the perimeter, the whole outline of the beard. So we're combing the hair out and then we're going to go ahead and line that up just so we have the perimeters all lined up so we can see how the beard is really looking. After that, we're going to just fade in the beard real quick using, blade open, 1 guard, 2 guard, and then that should blend everything in. Just doing a little detail work. He wanted to go ahead and knock down his mustache pretty short so it doesn't bother him while he's working, so we went and took a number 1 guard closed. And after that, we're going to go ahead and use our trimmer again and just line up the lip area, just get it nice and clean. And we're going to go apply some shave gel because we're going to get ready to line up the beard. You always want to use a shave gel or water or something just so they don't irritate their skin and it's more comfortable for your client. And we're just stretching with our thumb and we're just going and taking our razor right in there. Once you get closer to the lip area, you do want to have them blow a bubble just so you can get a flatter surface, and it helps make the line a lot more sharper. This is where he did want his beard lined up. I always recommend him to bring it up higher. I'm slowly convincing him to bring it up higher, so we've been slowly letting him grow back out, but he doesn't like it where it's at right now. So please leave the hate comments out because this is how my client likes it. All right, I do consult with my clients. Now moving on, we're going to go ahead and comb it through and then we're going to reline it again because the first pass is just the rough draft. Like I always say, you got to go over a good 2 to 3 times to get it really nice and crispy. Usually I'll go ahead and do it 2 or 3 times right now. I'll leave, I'll go finish everything up, and then before he gets out of the chair, I'll run it through 1 more time. I'm just edging up the other side. This was for an Instagram video, so that's why the clips are a little bit different, just for entertainment purposes. And just to get that beard extra crispy, we're gonna go ahead and go against the grain, lean him back, get him nice and comfortable, take a quick 2-minute nap, and just go against the grain, get him all nice and clean. Now we're moving on to the most important part of the whole beard trim, which is sculpting the beard. First, your clipper, your tool has to be something very powerful and strong that could sculpt the beard evenly and you're not pushing the hair around. So these Gamma Ergos are the truth. They have the most power that I've ever used in a cordless clipper. It does 10,000 strokes per minute, which is crazy. Yeah, 10,000 strokes. Other cordless clippers do around 3,000 to 4,000, and it's due to the linear magnetic motor that it has. So make sure to go ahead and pre-order yours and get yours because these are great for beard sculpting, afros, clipper over comb, any type of sculpting or where you're taking a lot of bulk off at once. These clippers have a lot of power. They're kind of like the corded wall seniors. They got that, you just feel that power when you're holding them. So when it comes to beard sculpting, for him in particular, he just wanted the stragglers, the beard just to look nice and shaped because he is growing out his beard for his wedding. So that's why I'm not taking in length from the very bottom. I just touch a little bit just to make it look cleaner and more tight, because when you know how girls trim their hair on the top to let it grow out longer. So I'm just kind of trimming these little stragglers on the bottom so that in time, it'll grow longer because you're just giving it a nice little trim. But the main focus is getting the cheeks to look very slim and tight on his face. Having the back of his beard go from long to short, so from the side profile it looks very long and it's got that nice full dense beard. And yeah, you just got to take it slow, just get all the stragglers, make sure to look at it from different angles. If you have to, go ahead and put a white towel around him so you can see all the stragglers, just making sure it's nice and tight. Also make sure to go over a couple times if you have to, just to make sure everything lays down perfectly. You'll never get rid of all the flyaways, but you do your job to make it as tight as possible. This is the after. My boy is looking super fresh, beard is fully out, crispy, and that was a beard transformation. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.